2021 Spring AMC 12B for Olympiad in America. Problem number 21. Let S be the sum of all positive real numbers x for which x to the 2 to the root 2 equal to square root of 2 to the 2 to the x. Which of the following statements is true? Okay. So when we see, as I said before, when we see x in the power, you should take logarithm. Because we have square root of 2 here, let me show you, for example, if 2 to the a, or let me tell you this, if a, or we can say b to the m equal to n, it is equivalent that log b of n equal to n. So you should memorize this. Or you can ask yourself this. Log b of n is the number of that if you raise b to the power of that, b to the power of that is m equal to n. So log b of n is a number that if you raise b to the power of that, it is n. So let's work on this. I know that it's the 2 root 2 equal to from main equation. Root 2 to the power of 2 to the x. And we know root 2 is 2 to the power of 1 half times 2 to the x. And by power rule, we know that a to the m to the n equal to a to the mn. So it will be 2, 1 to the power of 1 over 2 times 2 to the x. And 1 over 2 is 2 to the negative 1. It will be 2 to the, if you consider a to the m times a to the n, it will be a to the m plus n and a to the m. Over a to the n will be a to the m minus n. Here, it will be 2 to the x over 2, which will be 2 to the x minus 1. Now, I take log 2 from both sides. It will be log 2 of x, the 2 to the root 2 equal to, right hand side is log 2 of 2, the 2 to the x minus. If we consider this part will be 2 to the x minus 1. Why? Let me show you something. Let me tell you another rule that is better to use that for understanding and easier. If you have a log, for example, any number b, x to the m, you take m in front of log b of x. So here, will be 2 to the x minus 1 times log 2 of 2. Log 2 of 2 is 1. You can easily use this. If it is 2, it is 2. So m is what? E is 2, n is 2. So m should be 1. So log 2 of 2 is 1. And you have 2 to the x minus 1. For solving this problem, you should work a little with logarithm. If you don't know logarithm and the rules, you can send message to my WhatsApp number that is in the comments and description. Okay, so let's rewrite it in next page. Log 2 of, let me write, log 2 of x, the 2 to the root 2 equal to 2 to the x minus 1. And by the rule here, we said you can take power in front of log. If you apply it for left hand side, it will be 2 root 2 log x, 2 of x equal to 2x minus 1. So, let me correct something. So here it is 2 to the root 2. So it's not 2 multiplied 2 to the root 2. Okay, now we divide both sides by 2 to the root 2. It will be log 2 of x equal to 2 to the x minus 1 minus root 2. Again, I take log with base 2 from both sides. Log base 2. It will be log 2 of x equal to, by the definition of logarithm that I said in previous page, it will be x minus 1 minus root 2. Now, the problem doesn't want exactly x is what, only wants to find the sum of all positive real numbers. So let's draw the diagram We have this function, two functions. I want to draw them on the diagram. So let's consider one of them as this color, the other one as this color, and let's use this. Oh. Now let's consider, for example, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. So if x is 2, or let's consider x is 1. If x is 1, in x1, we know that log 2 of 1 equal to 0. And then if you take log 2 of that, it's impossible. And you can understand that the vertical asymptote is this. If you consider x is 2, log 2 of x equal, if x is 2, log 2 of 1, it will be 0. So the function, let me show with this color, it will be something like this. Let's consider the rest. Now, let's also consider the green one, this part. If x is 0, it will be, let me write here 1, here 2. X 0, it will be negative 1, negative root 2. Negative root 2 is around negative 1.4. It will be negative 2.4. It will be 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2.4. It will be something like this. And the slope of this is 1. Okay, we will see this, and the growth rate of this is so much greater than this because x similar to exponential with respect to log. Okay, so we see this, and it intersects x-axis. If x minus 1 minus root 2 equal to 0, x will be 1 plus root 2, which will be around 2.4. Now I want to show exactly the figure. Let me raise it. It will be something about this part. Now this. Okay. We continue and we want to find the next intersection. So the first intersection is here because in 2 it is positive, it is negative, and you can see we have intersection. Because here green one is greater, here red one is greater. So we understand the first intersection is between 1 and 2. The first answer, let me write between 1 and 2. Now, the next intersection, if we calculate another number, 4 is good to calculate. If x is 4, log 2 of 4, it will be 2 and it will be 1. So for x4, the red one will be 1. So if I want to show this part will be 1. Now, if we consider here 4 minus 1 minus root 2, it will be 3. 3 minus root 2 is around 3 minus 1.4. It will be 2, 1.6. Okay, so we understand that here it is 1.6, this part green one, and the next one is this. So if I want to show this, it will be around, I think I should correct the speed of this. Let me correct the speed of this function. Okay, I should correct this part. We want to draw the diagram. It will be around, for example, 1. We should draw this such that we have this, and in 4, it should pass something like this. And now, if we extend the green line here, it will be around 1.6. So green line here is after and continues like this, and also red curve we have like this. So we have two intersections. The next one here is between 2 and 4. Okay, if we add up, for example, the first root, it is x1 belongs here, x2 belongs here, s is sum of them. X1 plus x2 belongs to 3 and 6. Okay, so let's go here, see 3 and 6 we want to find. We know s belongs to 3 and 6. It is wrong. Let's root 2 wrong. This wrong because less than 2. This part greater than equal to, so it contains this one. So we understand the answer is D. Okay, if you want to learn other ideas about diagram, drawing the curve, not, we can say approximately, helps a lot in many Olympiad exams, in many math exams. If you want to learn important ideas, you can send message to my number in the description, WhatsApp number, send message through WhatsApp. In the description and also comments, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video, and have a good day. See you next time. Bye.